What if everything you're going through is actually getting you ready? It's preparing you for what you dream of, what you asked for. You see, nothing in life is random. You might think it is, but there's a reason behind everything. It doesn't matter whether it's when something magical happens and you feel on top of the world, or when you have a disaster and you feel like the pits. It's not random. It's happened for a reason. You know, when you're deliriously happy or unbelievably miserable, the times when you desperately wanted to succeed at something important but you failed, like an interview for a job, it had a reason. You're growing, and it isn't by accident. Be assured, be promised, you're on a journey that will get more beautiful the farther down the road of life you travel, and eventually you'll look back and realize and appreciate that every step you took was created only for you.